Hello students, welcome to Mitu Maths classes. Today's topic is applications of derivative, and in this question we will discuss about how to find the maximum or minimum value of a function. So our question is, show that the height of the closed cylinder of given surface and maximum volume is equals to the diameter of the base. तो आपको एक सिलेंडर गिवन है, you are given a cylinder. Let us draw a cylinder first, and we are given that the surface area is given. So let surface area is equals to capital S, and capital S will become a constant because it is given, and we are also given the volume is maximum. Volume is maximum. The two things are given. Now let R be the radius of the cylinder and H be the height of the cylinder. The two things we can take the dimensions. Now we are supposed to show that your volume is maximum when the height of the cylinder is equals to the diameter of the base. So we are supposed to show that the height is equals to 2r. The volume is maximum when height will be equals to 2r. So let us consider this surface area function first. Since the surface area is S, so S will be equals to 2 pi RH plus 2 pi r square. क्योंकि S आपका एक कांस्टेंट है और R और H आपने दो वेरिएबल्स इंट्रोड्यूस कर दिए हैं, तो किसी एक वेरिएबल की वैल्यू हम सेकेंड वेरिएबल के टर्म्स में लिख सकते हैं. सो H कैन बी रिटन एज 2 pi r square को आप सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दो यहाँ पे, एंड देन यू कैन डिवाइड विद 2 pi r. So let us take H is equals to this. H can be written in terms of R now. Now consider the volume function, and the volume function is pi r square H. But to find out the maximum value of volume function, your volume function is in two variables. So replace H by this pi r square S minus 2 pi r square upon 2 pi r. So your volume function will become, if you multiply by this, then pi r will cancel out, S by 2 r minus pi r cube. So your volume function is in this one, within only one variable. Now you can differentiate volume function with respect to r. So the dv by dr will become S by 2 minus 3 pi r square. And for critical points, we are going to put derivative function is equals to 0. So S by 2 minus 3 pi r square is equals to 0 will imply S is equals to 6 pi r square, और S को आप रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं 2 pi r h प्लस 2 pi r square से. So this will come 2 pi r h is equals to 4 pi r square, and आपका 2 कैंसिल हो जाएगा, पाई और r भी कैंसिल हो जाएगा, h विल बी इक्वल्स टू 2r. तो आपका ये आप क्रिटिकल पॉइंट आ गया. बट यू आर गोइंग टू check whether the second derivative is negative at this critical point or not, क्योंकि आपको अपने वॉल्यूम फंक्शन को मैक्सिमाइज करना है. तो आपको you have to check whether this is a point of maxima or not, and for that you have to find out the second derivative of this function, and the second derivative is, this is a constant, so इसका derivative 0, and here minus 6r. So the second derivative at this particular point h is equals to 2r is also negative, because r is always positive, so minus 6 pi r is a positive quantity, so negative will make it negative. So that implies this is the point of maximum, and your volume function is maximum, volume is maximum at this particular point. So आपका आ गया, that implies the volume of cylinder is maximum when height is equal to the diameter of the base.